Are you in a hunt of best budget-friendly laptop that does not compromise on performance? Well, in this video, I will explore some of the best laptop available in India under 30,000, or I would say, some laptop may be going 1,000 above and sometime 500 rupees down. I mean, the price is slightly fluctuating. And at this price point, getting a decent performing laptop is really challenging. So be sure to subscribe to Nigitech, as we did a lot of research in getting top 5 best laptop under 30,000 and be part of our first 1,000 subscriber family. And as you know, subscribing is free and you can always change your mind. Please don't. Okay, so now let's come back to the topic and let's jump into our computer screen where we're gonna talk about all these 5 great laptops. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so these are the laptop I was referring to, and I also have added them to INDSTOR list. And if you want to visit this site, I'm gonna provide you the link in the description of this video. Just you need to open this link, and from here you can visit all these laptops, and these laptops are available in Amazon. All we need to do is we need to click on view on Amazon, and here you will see the link will redirect you to Amazon. So let's see all these laptops one by one. So let's start with this Lenovo model. So let me click on view on Amazon, and here is the laptop, and currently it's going to cost us only 26,800, which is really nice. And if I apply this 1% discount, and not only that, if you see here in case of bank offer, you're gonna see so many discount, so many coupons are applicable if you use following credit cards. So eventually you're going to pay even less of an amount. Okay, so apart from price, let's also talk about the product spec. So here, this laptop is powered by AMD Ryzen 3 7320U, which is obviously, is an entry-level CPU. But I would say if you're going to utilize this laptop, let's say for productivity tasks, for example, to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, I don't think so it will be any challenge for this machine. And on the top of it, what we are getting here in terms of display is a full HD resolution display having a peak brightness of 250 nits, which I would say is on a higher end side in this particular category. Not only that, you're gonna also get anti-glare screen, which is really nice. If we talk about other specs, so here you're gonna get 8 GB of RAM, which probably can be upgraded to 16, and then 512 GB of SSD. And the good thing about this laptop is it comes with genuine Windows 11 pre-installed, so you do not need to worry about Windows installation as well. So this Lenovo V15 machine at under 26,000 after applying discount is really a great deal. Again, you're gonna get all these laptop link in this site. Or let's say you do not want to buy it now, you can simply do Google's login with your Gmail account and can add the laptop to your wish list. After adding the laptop to your wish list, you simply need to click on your wish list and you will see the wish listed items in your account. Now let's go back and let's talk about the second laptop here, which is from MSI. So if you are not fan of AMD and looking for a good spec laptop having a decent configuration under 30,000, then this MSI Modern 15 can be your go-to device. It is powered by a 12th generation Core i3-1215U. Again, I would say is sufficient enough to run any productivity app like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And on the top of it, you're gonna get 8 GB of RAM, 512 GB of fast NVMe SSD, and Windows 11 pre-installed. Again, I would say is a great choice from a reputed brand which is famous for their motherboard and other PC components. Not only that, here you will also gonna get a keyboard which is not the normal one but the backlit one. And the keyboard style also you can see is a chiclet type, which is really nice. Additional to this laptop is quite durable, and we're gonna see that the certification with that this laptop comes with, which kind of give you assurance that this laptop is quite durable. Now let's talk about our third machine, which is from Acer. Acer, I would say, is very reputable brand when we talk about durability and endurance. From my own personal experience, I rarely see them on a repair center because they are built to last. So here what we see is Acer Aspire 3 laptop that is again powered by AMD Ryzen 3 which again powered by same AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, which we saw in case of first Lenovo laptop. So in terms of performance, you're gonna see similar kind of result. The only con I see here is instead of 512GB of storage, you're gonna get only 256GB of SSD. But as I said, Acer machines are quite durable, made up of better quality material. That is why it is slightly toward expensive side. But for you're gonna get high performance component are being utilized. For example, if we see here, you're gonna see reversible type C connector for faster data transfer, Acer purified voice, a better security, and faster data transit. Apart from that, look at the laptop chassis, how clean it looks. And as I was mentioning, it is not just packing certain components, it is all about engineering. And this we also see in terms of improved thermals that eventually going to affect your sustained level of performance. So if you want to buy some of the best performance laptop under 30,000 rupees, you may consider this machine. Now let's talk about the fourth machine here, which is from Dell. So let's see here what kind of configuration it come up with. So here we can see it is also powered by AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor. And remaining here you will see the typical spec, which is 8GB of RAM, 500GB of SSD, and Windows 11 pre-installed. But the good thing about this machine is you're gonna get genuine Office 2021 pre-installed with this machine, which is really nice. And then I'm not fan of McAfee or any antivirus, but here you're gonna get that as well for next 15 months, which is really awesome. Now, if we talk about other specs, so here we can see it comes with faster LPDDR5 RAM, and then the display is really nice, and this might be the reason why this is currently unavailable. But not to worry guys, I'm gonna put the updated link in the description of this video. So if you want a machine which is most featureful, not only in terms of standard specs that we were mentioning before, which is processor, hard drive, and RAM, here what additional you're gonna get is installed Microsoft Office suite, 15 months of McAfee, and a high refresh rate display, which is really awesome guys. And then it also talk about a 2-tuned speaker, which is gonna give you even better audio experience. And you may also have a look at the style of this laptop. From nowhere looks like 30,000 rupees laptop. It looks that premium guys. So if you are looking for some of the most featureful laptop, you can surely have a look at this machine. Now let's come back to our list and let's talk about the last laptop in our list, which is again from AMD. So let me click here on view on Amazon, and here we go. And here what we see is this machine is also powered by Ryzen 3 7320U, comes with 8GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD, and Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, which is really nice because generally we see home version comes with it, but here what we are getting is a Windows 11 Pro. Not only that, just like Dell laptop, here also you're gonna get Office 2021 pre-installed, which is really great guys, because if we talk about our first laptop, which was slightly cheaper but didn't came with genuine Office. So if you do not want to be part of Hazel, from where I'm gonna get Office, and that too, sometimes is very risky, because really if you see the delta between 27980 and 26800 in just 1,000 rupees, you're gonna get immense value, because Office 2021 going to cost you around, let me see it, how much it cost. Office 2021, Microsoft. Okay, so let's have a price reveal. So here you see even the home and student version of Microsoft Office. I'm talking about the genuine one guys. It's going to cost you 9,199. And that too I'm talking about the home edition, which is the basic one. So that variant you're gonna get here for completely free. And no matter how many times you install or uninstall, this Office is going to be always attached with your mail ID. This means that you do not need to worry about even you format your system. because you're going to always reinstall back without any worry. So these are our top 5 laptops under 30,000 that you can buy from Amazon. Okay, so that's wrap up today's video. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then do not forget to like this video and drop a comment about which laptop caught your eye. Your feedback is also very important to us and help us to make even better tech content. So if you have got any, please make sure to provide us in comment down below. And as I said, we are on journey to complete our first 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to make all these 1,000 subscribers a permanent member, which is gonna get some extra perks from my side. So please hit that subscribe button and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.